Good morning, students. I am Purva Sharma. Let's begin the new session with Global Perspectives, Chapter 1st, Information Skills. I find Global Perspective supports independent research skills and critical thinking. It helps you to think outside your regular courses and outside yourselves as you begin to become global citizens. What a perspective is. People see the world differently because their experience and ways of thinking is differ. Our views are influenced by many people, including our parents, friends, and people we admire. So, here is an activity. Consider this glass of water. What do you think? It's half full or half empty? Now ask your classmates, ask your friends, ask your siblings, ask your parents what they think and what you think. So this makes understand that we might see things differently to others. Considering issues from global, national and local perspectives is a requirement for your individual report. You will also explore your own personal perspective and whether this has been influenced by other perspectives. For the team project, you are required to collaborate with team members to research an issue, decide on an aim, and plan and carry out a team project on an issue related to one of the global topics. This team project will involve finding out about different cultural perspectives on the chosen issue, and these different cultural perspectives should inform the outcome and explanation you produced for your team project. One more activity is here. Imagine you are a passenger in a car that stops at some traffic lights. As you are waiting, this limousine pulls up at the lights. Who do you think is in the limousine? Share your ideas with a partner, sibling, mother, father, friends. Chances are some of their ideas were different ideas to yours. They saw it from a different perspective. Now, why do you think your partner had a different perspective to you? Different definitions. You might think that certain words mean the same thing to everyone. You would be wrong in this assumption, which is why it is important to discuss things and ensure that you know the different perspectives on the same thing. Assumption. Something that is accepted as true or as certain to happen without proof. For example, that there will be a food at a party. This you are assuming. Global issue, global solution. Thinking about a global perspective. A global perspective asks you to think beyond yourself, your family, your school, your community, and your country or the country where you are living. Issues that are in the news are often global in nature. For example, an economic or social issue. Economic is related with money and social is related with people. Often a global issue or problem demands a global solution. It would not be possible to solve the global problem of climate change with a social solution or local solution. Even though local courses of action might be taken to help towards a global solution. For the problem of climate change, for example, a local course of action might be a poster campaign aimed at businesses, encouraging them to reduce the amount of fossil fuels they are using. Sometimes a national or local perspective might be different to the global perspective. At other times, it might be the same depending on the situation. It is important to understand that people might hold views that are different from yours. Having different perspective does not mean someone is wrong. Considering issues from global, national, local and personal perspectives is a requirement for the individual report. A global issue demands a global solution. Issues are problems that need resolving. Perspectives are the way different people view different issues.